Okay, so we got the setup here. We're testing a new PSU, and we're also just freezing the CPU and the heatsink. Got a new heatsink too. Make sure all the condensation is off. Put the CPU in there first. Then we'll lock it in place, and then I'll grab the other thing. And maybe it was just like the power supply was overvolting it or something. IDK. I don't think we want a piece of ice on there. Okay. I don't know. Just fan on there to do stuff, I guess. Okay, so we got our PSU plugged in. Let's switch to HDMI 1 and then quickly just get some information out. We want to know the CPU. We want to know something else. Probably shouldn't put this fan on here. Okay, we got power. Fan is running at high speed. PSU is probably not a regular. We're not getting anything. Okay, cancel. What we'll do is try and power it off. To try and power it off. We're not getting anything from the. Ooh. We weren't getting anything on the keyboard, so someone was up. I don't think we need this Windows boot, so I'll just put that aside. Doesn't smell like burning. CPU is cold. This thing is also cold too. Maybe it's just not booting up. Nothing. Okay, I'm gonna try something else, I guess.